Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, this is Parsifal, and we are right now going over the Trademiner picks of the week for Forex, stocks, and futures. Our first pick is a bullish Aussie Swissy, October the 6th to November the 7th. Not calculated. I hope they get that fixed. And the next is Caterpillar. This is the stock picks of the week, and this one is high probability, 84% win rate. You can see the metrics, you can see the statistics for October the 4th to November the 4th. And the futures picks of the week is the S&P 500 Mini, ES Mini, October the 5th to October the 24th, and it has a low probability, but there's an 85% chance to have a win. And this is 13 years. So over the last 13 years, it's been pretty consistent. This one also, Caterpillar, is 13 years. And check it out. we have a trifecta, and the Aussie Swissy is 13 years also. So there's some pretty good statistics on these three securities. Let's go to the charts, see what it looks like on the charts. Alright, here we go. We've got the Aussie Swissy in this area right here. And as I was looking at it, and you got some divergence coming in here. You see this here to here, and most likely it can basically gain going into November. We've got Caterpillar, and Caterpillar is also showing divergence, so this could also going into this area gain. What I would do, though, I see that there's an earnings on October 27th. The stock market is going into earnings season in October, so I'll be watching out for all the earnings stuff. And I always avoid earnings because it's unpredictable. And the ES Mini is right here on the futures, and this is not showing divergence. That is a new lower low, but in comparison to this over here, let's see, it is at the same depth. So this is a wait and see to see what actually happens going into October, because it depends on what happens with the earnings of the stock market. There you go. So I don't know what's going to basically happen, if people are looking for a recession, and if they've already priced in all the rate hikes. I don't know. So that's a wait and see. Okay, so let's move over to the review. And there's not much of a review this week. I did not take many trades. I took one trade, as you can see right here. We are up to 141,000, and that's, that feels good for right now. Let me bring that up. There we go. Now, as you can see, this is before it actually goes into the area of the market cycle. I saw a setup just before, and I took it. So it's going to be interesting to see what actually happens with this trade going into this market cycle, because so far it's profitable. Going forward, we shall see. And this is all the way up to October 24th. Alright, so with that, I think that's going to be it. for this session, this video of the Trademiner Picks of the Week. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get more picks so that you guys can be notified when I basically post. And this is Parsival, ForexMilitia, signing out.